हेलो चिल्ड्रन, ये द कॉमेट सीरीज़ का थर्ड वीडियो है जिसमें मैं द कॉमेट पार्ट 1 और द कॉमेट पार्ट 2 दोनों के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करवाऊंगी। मेरा नाम सोनिया अडवाणी है और आप मेरे साथ हैं सोनियाज़ क्लासरूम में। आजकल मैं सीबीएसई बोर्ड क्लास 8 की इंग्लिश की सप्लीमेंट्री रीडर इट्स सो हैपेंड के लेसन्स करवा रही हूँ। पिछले दोनों वीडियोस में मैंने लेसन 9 और लेसन 10 अच्छे से समझा दिया था। इस वीडियो में मैं दोनों लेसन्स के एक्सरसाइजेस और क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करवा रही हूँ। आइए कॉम्प्रिहेंशन चेक से शुरू करते हैं। कॉम्प्रिहेंशन चेक 1 क्वेश्चन 1। Why does Indrani Devi dislike Dattada's hobnobbing with Dibya? Answer. Dattada spent most of his time with Dibya, the telescope. He had little cold, still he forgot to wear his sweater and also did not bother to close the door. He used to get so lost in stargazing with Dibya that Indrani Devi believed that Dibya had cast a spell on him. So Indrani Devi did not like Dattada's hobnobbing with Dibya. Question 2. She is complaining and smiling. Why is she smiling? Answer. She is complaining and at the same time is smiling also at her husband's naivety. He was unaware of the practical problems of living. He forgot to put on his sweater even after the doctor's advice and also he forgot to close the door. Question 3. Part 1. What was Dattada's secret ambition? Answer. Dattada's secret ambition was that he would one day discover a new comet. Part 2. What did he do to achieve it? Answer. Dattada retired with ample amount of money and enough time to spare. Then he bought a telescope which was duly installed on the roof of his house and he started spending his nights in stargazing. Question 4. What is the difference between a planet and a comet as given in the story? Answer. Comets can be new. They come from the remote corners of the solar system. Like planets, they also orbit round the sun, but their orbits are highly eccentric, whereas a planet has a fixed orbit. Question 5. Why was Dattada hopeful that he would discover a new comet soon? Answer. Dattada was hopeful of discovering a new comet soon because professional astronomers do not pay much attention to comets. They are more interested in looking at faint stars and nebulous galaxies. Comets are not of much significance to them, so the amateurs have more chance of discovering new comets. Question 6. Why does Dattada say, I almost wish I had not discovered this comet? Answer. The discovery of a new comet brought unwelcome publicity to Dattada, which he was not liking at all because he was an introvert. He had to attend many receptions and functions, so he wished he had not discovered that comet. Question 7. Why is his wife unhappy about the discovery? Answer. Dattada's wife was superstitious. She believed that comets bring ill luck and a good man like her husband should not be associated with the discovery of one. This was the reason she was unhappy about the discovery. Now, comprehension check 2. Question 1. How did Sir John get hold of James's original manuscript? Answer. James had sent his paper to Nature magazine for publishing. The editor of the magazine, Mr. Taylor, was Sir John's friend. He asked for Sir John's opinion on that paper before sending it to a professional referee. That is how Sir John got hold of James's original manuscript. Question 2. What is the important point the paper makes? Answer. The paper makes the important point that Comet Datta will collide with the Earth. Question 3. Why does Sir John say that James's paper should not be published? Answer. If James's paper had been published, it would have caused panic in the entire world. So Sir John asks James to tone down the dreadful truth in his paper. Question 4. What do the two men finally decide to do? Answer. Finally, the two men decide to call an important secret conference of international experts. बच्चों अब द कॉमेट पार्ट 2 के कॉम्प्रिहेंशन चेक 1 के क्वेश्चंस. क्वेश्चन 1. For a moment, James wondered if he had done his sums right. Why was James doubtful about his sums and calculations? Answer. After Sir John dropped James at his hotel at 1 a.m., he looked up at the star-studded sky from his window. Looking at the sky in such peaceful night, it was difficult to believe that any calamity could happen. So James wondered if he had done his sums and calculations right. Question 2. What did the scientists at the conference say about James's sums? Answer. The scientists at the conference discussed the matter for a week, after which they concluded that James was correct in his calculations. Comet Datta was for sure to collide with the Earth. Question 3. Immediate action was needed, the scientists decided. Give one example each of defensive and offensive action mentioned in the text. Answer. The scientists discussed the suitable measures. They rejected defensive measures like living in underground bunkers as it was not feasible practically. The only way left was to take offensive action. The comet could be slightly deflected from its path, which could be managed by doing a nuclear explosion near the comet. Question 4. I am not buying any Christmas presents till December 15. What did Sir John mean by that? Answer. Sir John was doubtful about the success of the offensive action taken by them to stop the collision. So he told Dattada that he won't buy his Christmas presents till December 15th. By that time, the whole situation would become clear. Now, comprehension check 2, question 1. What is Dattada expected to do on his return from London? Answer. Dattada is expected to do a Shanti Yajna to pacify the evil spirit behind the comet on his return from London. Question 2. What is his reaction to the proposal? Answer. At first he calmly asked about the advantage of this ceremony, but the moment he heard their reasoning that comets cause ill effects on the earth, he lost his cool. He considered it a superstition and was very angry to know that his family still believed in all these. Question 3, Part 1. What does Project Light Brigade refer to? Answer. Project Light Brigade refers to the project of averting Comet Datta's collision with Earth. For this purpose, a spacecraft had been launched which carried nuclear fuel. It would be exploded near the comet to deflect it from its original path. Question 3, Part 2. What does Sir John say about the project in his letter to Dattada in October? Answer. In the middle of October, Dattada got a letter from Sir John in which, among other things, he mentioned that the charge of the Light Brigade has begun. Question 4. Did Sir John buy Christmas presents on December 15? How did Dattada get to know about it? Answer. Dattada received a letter from Sir John on November 18, mentioning his being confident of buying Christmas presents on December 15. Thus, he knew that Sir John would buy the Christmas presents on December 15. Question 5. Why, according to Indrani Devi, had the comet not been disastrous? Do you agree with her? Answer. According to Indrani Devi, the comet had not been disastrous because of the yajna they performed to pacify the evil spirit behind the comet. No, I don't agree with her because her belief was a superstition. Question 6. Is Dattada's general outlook rational, moral, or traditional? Choose the right word. Say why you think it right. Answer. Dattada's outlook is rational because he had a scientific approach towards life. He did not believe in superstitions and always went by reasoning. बच्चों अब 10th लेसन के एंड में बुक एक्सरसाइज दी हुई है जिसमें कुछ क्वेश्चंस दिए हैं जिन्हें आपको स्मॉल ग्रुप्स में डिस्कस करने को कहा गया है. मैं आप लोगों को कुछ पॉइंट्स बता दे रही हूँ, इससे आपको हेल्प हो जाएगी. तो क्वेश्चन 1. Should a scientist's findings be suppressed if they seem disturbing? Give reasons for and against the topic. Answer. Argument against it. I don't think scientific truths should be suppressed because we don't gain anything by suppressing them. Rather, it is in the interest of people to be aware about the latest scientific findings so that they can plan and prepare accordingly. Now, argument for it. A scientific finding should not be made public until and unless it is confirmed by the apex bodies. Otherwise, it may spread unnecessary panic among the people. Now, question 2. Do you think ours is a traditional society? What are some of the things we do to be called traditional? Do you find these things useless or useful? Answer. Yes, of course, ours is a traditional society. We follow our culture and religion sincerely. We celebrate festivals, we perform our religious rituals, we respect our traditions. All these make us traditional. Being traditional is often considered as being orthodox and being superstitious. But I believe every single ritual and prayer in our religion has strong logic behind it. Just because few people are unable to comprehend the actual reasoning, it doesn't mean that our traditions are useless. Ours is the most developed ancient civilization where every single action is backed by scientific reasoning. Question 3. Give 2 or 3 examples to show how science has been useful to us. Answer. Science has been very helpful in making our lives better and comfortable. Every single thing, be it electricity, means of transport, medical science, various technologies, all helped to make our lives easier and far better than before. We travel long distances due to science. We have improved the quality of our health due to science. And during the time of this pandemic, we are able to study because of science. Hence, we can conclude that life would be very difficult without science. Question 4. Give one example to show how science has been misused and has, as a result, been harmful to us. Answer. Science has been misused by producing weapons of mass destruction like atomic and nuclear bombs. These inventions have the power of mass destruction with grave after effects also. बच्चों अब मैं दोनों लेसन्स के कुछ एडिशनल इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस आंसर्स के साथ बता रही. डू यू थिंक दैट दत्तादा वाज obsessed with Dibya? Why do you think so? Answer. Dattada was an amateur astronomer who was pursuing his passion after his retirement. He bought an 8-inch telescope to do stargazing. He named it Dibya Chakshu, which means divine eyes. He was so obsessed with it that every time he was busy with it only. He was so lost with Dibya that he used to forget the basic things like wearing sweater during winters and closing the doors. Even his wife Indrani Devi used to consider Dibya as a cunning woman who had cast her magic spell on Dattada and trapped him. Question 2. Dattada and Indrani Devi both wished that the new comet should not have been discovered. Why? Answer. Both had different reasons for thinking so. Dattada was an introvert person and this discovery brought him unwanted publicity. He was disgusted with the receptions and functions held to honor him. That is why he thought that had he known that he would be invited at so many places, he wouldn't have discovered it only. Whereas Indrani Devi had a different reason. She believed that the comets bring bad luck, so she was worried about Dattada's being associated with its discovery. Question 3. Why was Dattada invited to the secret conference? Answer. Dattada was invited to the conference to participate in the discussion about the measures to avert the collision of Comet Datta and Earth. He was invited as special guest of Sir John because he was the one who discovered that comet. Question 4. What happened in the conference called by Sir John? Answer. The conference of the international experts lasted 1 week and went on under total cover of secrecy. First, they checked and rechecked James's calculations with the latest observations of Comet Datta. They found that there was no escape from the direct hit as predicted by James. There was a small chance that it might graze the atmosphere of the earth. In that case, there would not be total loss of life and property. The experts decided that some action was needed urgently, which cannot be defensive due to its impracticability. So they decided to go for offensive action, using which the comet could be marginally deflected from its path by giving it a push. Question 5. Will human society ever succeed in eliminating the gap between the rational and the superstitious? Answer. Yes, definitely. With knowledge and proper education, this gap can be eliminated. We should change our ways of teaching. It should be more of practical knowledge than just theoretical knowledge. It is the duty of parents also to impart this aptitude of seeking logic behind things. Then only the coming generations will be able to differentiate between rationalism and superstitions. तो बच्चों, ये मैंने दोनों लेसन्स के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, कॉम्प्रिहेंशन चेक, बुक एक्सरसाइजेस और एडिशनल इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस भी आप लोगों को करवा दिए हैं. अगर आपके दिमाग में कोई और क्वेश्चन आए तो आप लोग कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख दीजिएगा. आई विल डेफिनेटली आंसर इट. बच्चों, अगर आप लोगों को मेरा पढ़ाना अच्छा लगा हो तो शो योर लव बाय लाइकिंग दिस वीडियो and also join my classroom by subscribing to my channel. जल्द मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. Till then, take care and bye.